I've got a lot going on this week. I'm headed to my work right now to saw on some more beams. I'll get into that in a minute. This is the first time I've ever pulled my sawmill with my new truck. Last month I bought a 2018 Ram Tradesman 2500. It's got the Cummins 6.7. Before you start grabbing for your keyboard to tell me that Ford's better or Chevy's better, I should probably mention that I don't care. This is the truck that I bought. I'll probably be doing some videos on it soon. I was so happy with my LED headlights that I bought from JDM Astor for my tractor that I've ordered a set for my truck, and I will be installing those soon. I've already been to the wheel and tire store to put some new shoes on, and I put some aftermarket taillights, LED taillights on the back. But anyways, back to the beams. I'm going to be sawing glulams again, but this time these beams were assembled with staples. Instead of having a glued finger joint, they have an overlap joint that has staples that hold them together. And they were put together by people who must have been getting paid by the staple, because there are a million staples in each one and there's no way to get them out before I saw the panels. So I need the wood and there's no way around it. So Wood-Mizer suggested I try their bimetal blades, which I bought a box of about a week ago. So we're going to see how well these bimetal blades work on wood that's full of staples. I took this week off of work to try and get some projects wrapped up, and today is the only day it's not supposed to rain, but looking at the clouds, it looks like it's supposed to rain a lot. So we're going to do the best we can and keep this wood as dry as we can. Yesterday I delivered about 600 square feet of the wood paneling that I've already cut, along with 54 boards that will have the unit numbers next to each apartment door. And I've got about 700 square feet more to saw and deliver. So that's my plan for this week, is to get that order finished and hopefully get paid before Christmas. Well guys, these are the bimetal blades from Wood-Mizer. I've never used them before, but they're supposed to be the bee's knees when it comes to having to saw through metal. And while I was setting up this shot, I literally got an email from the contractor that I'm working for telling me that they were going to have a shipment of timbers delivered to my house for me to saw up for a completely different project. So just when I thought I was catching up, I'm behind again. Ooh. Those look nasty. All right, guys, this is where we're going to find out what these blades are made of. You see the thinner strips? Those are joints that are tapered. They're a long, like a 12-inch taper, and they're full of staples about an inch in. So I may have missed this one. I think I've cut off, unless it's getting wider here, and then I'll hit it for sure. But we'll make a couple passes, pull the boards off, and see what we're left with. Well, when you've got a pickup bed full of lumber and a big pile of sawdust, you can be pretty sure that you had a good day. And the best part of this is the glulams are gone. There's no more sawing. Real quick, I'd like to give a shout out to the guys on the Wood-Mizer owners Facebook page. I just joined last night, and it looks like there's a lot of really cool information on there. I look forward to checking it all out and posting myself. But anyway, I'm gonna get cleaned up and make a video. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.